locations and your visits. Okay.
Awka is a no darling place.
Oh
no darling. Yeah,
once you have your bed there, once your pockets are heavy, you are not going to enjoy this. It's a very nice place to spend time. Okay. This channel, once again, on today's video, we are going to discuss with you some basic things you need to know in case you have plans of moving into Awka or visiting Awka or relocating to Awka, the capital of Anambra State. And we are going to take them one after the other, step by step, bit by bit, as we go down this video. We are your presenters, and my names are Godwin,
and I'm Blessing Godwin. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever we post a video.
So guys, the first topic we are going to work on today, or we are going to discuss about today, is
the 10 things you need to know before moving into Awka, because we have lived here in Awka and we know the vital things you need to know. So let's start with the first thing. So
the first amongst on our list today is
the cost of living in Awka. So what is the cost of living in Awka?
Okay, the cost of living in Awka is, should I say, expensive? Well, cost of living in the country as it is today is very expensive, and Awka is not an exception. Okay, so but basically, cost of living in Awka is quite expensive compared to some locations even within Anambra State. Okay, not to talk of states around Anambra. So the cost of living in Awka is quite expensive, and we are going to break it down to you bit by bit so that you get to understand what we are talking about. Now, first of all, we'll talk about the transportation system in Awka. Yes, the transport system in Awka is expensive. Moving around in Awka, if you're not mobile and you want to use the commercial vehicles or the tricycles or the buses to move around your daily activities, it is quite expensive. To be frank, okay, it is quite expensive. It's not it's not cheap. To say so, it's not cheap at all. So it is even better you have a vehicle, like your personal vehicle. It is even cheaper for you to move around when you have a personal vehicle compared to using the public transport system in the city. It is quite expensive.
The next thing is electricity. So tell us about electricity in Awka.
Wow, that's a very interesting one. Okay, I'm talking about electricity in the city of Awka.
Yes.
Frankly speaking, it depends on the location where you reside. Okay. There are some places in Awka where the electricity is poor, whereas there are some places in Awka where the electricity is relatively good, and there are some locations where it is quite okay, like you have steady power supplies in these areas. So it depends on the location where you are living. So if you are planning on residing in Awka or relocating to Awka, you should endeavor to know which part of Awka has electricity more, and don't forget those areas that have more electricity tend to cost more. It tends to be cost effective. So it depends on your pockets also and your budget.
Yes. So the next thing is the market. How is the market system in Awka?
The market system in Awka is quite impressive and coordinated to an extent. Okay, so why I say it's quite impressive and coordinated is because we have a major market. There is a major market in this city, which is the Awka market. This market is the major market, and there are other sub markets around various locations in the city, depending on where you are residing. So these sub-markets are located in various neighborhoods. Like every neighborhood in the city have a particular sub-market that relates to that particular neighborhood. So the market system in this city is quite impressive and coordinated. There is always a close by market near to you where you can go and get your groceries and your household stuffs, whatever.
Yes, and everything you want is in the market. Then anything you cannot get in Awka, then you just transport yourself to Onitsha.
Yes.
Yeah, so transport market system here is quite
impressive. Yeah.
The security.
Okay, wow, security.
Yes.
That's a very interesting one also. Talking about security.
Yeah, what do you have to say about that? What do you have to say about security?
Okay. First of all, Awka is the safest place in Anambra State. Awka City is the safest place you can reside in Anambra State. You can go and verify. This is the fact, okay? Based on happenings from before and now, Awka have proven to be the safest place to live in Anambra State. So when we talk of security, I would say that Awka is secured to an extent. Yes, it's a very secured location to an extent because we have all the security agencies around the city. Like we have the civil defense headquarters in Awka, we have the police headquarters in Awka, we have an army base in Awka, we have a mobile base in Awka, we have the DSS base in Awka, and whatsoever security you can think about. So I would say that Awka is secured to an extent. This is the safest location you can love or you can want to reside in Anambra State. That's all I can say for that.
So the next thing on our list is business. Is Awka a place where someone can invest and do his or her business? So
of course, I would say yes, because Awka is a growing city, and businesses in Awka are booming massively. When I say massively, I mean massively. So I would recommend Awka to anyone who would want to do business in Awka, because Awka is a government area / business area, because Anambra State is known for doing business, and that has affected Awka, the capital city. So Awka is a town or a city that is filled with mighty and great opportunities for both businessmen and career personnel. So I would recommend Awka to anyone who would want to come into Awka and invest. Do business.
Yes. So if you're planning to invest, come to Awka and invest your money.
To Awka.
Business is bubbling here.
It's massively, booming massively.
Yes.
So Awka is a go. Awka is a go.
Yes, it's a go.
Yes.
Can you tell us more about places to hang out? Is Awka lively? Is there Bedu ground? So can you tell us about it?
Of course I will because I am in Awka, okay?
Yeah.
Actually, the fun life has really increased through the years, okay? Yes, Awka is becoming more fun and more lively by the day.
A lot of lively places.
A lot of fun sports. I'm telling you, a lot of fun sports. A lot of clubs. Growing and springing up. A lot of children playing grounds. There are even cinemas in this city. There are lots of malls. There are lots of bars. There are lots of hotels. There are lots. Just name it. The city is growing massively.
Yes.
Massively.
Yeah.
And you would need to tap into this growth. You just have to invest in this city, or you just have to if you want to visit the city, it will be a good spot for relaxation.
Yes.
And your vacations also.
Exactly.
This city I recommend Awka for you.
Yes.
I really recommend Awka for your vacations and your visits. Okay.
Awka is a no dulling place.
Oh my God.
No dulling. Yeah.
once you have your pepper. Once your pockets are heavy, you are just going to enjoy this city.
Yes.
It's a very nice place to spend time. Okay, I will recommend Awka to you.
So now we're moving up to the accommodation system in Awka. Accommodation / housing. So can you tell us more about it?
Oh, okay. Being that I've lived in Awka for over 14 years now. Yes, I've lived in Awka for over 14 years now, and I'm going to tell you that in between these 14, like from the time I came into this city up to now, the accommodation prices, like the rent, the cost of rent or the cost of accommodation in this city have really skyrocketed. When I say it has skyrocketed, like mad, frankly speaking. Okay, like for instance, when I came into this city, you can get a flat for 200,000, a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom flat for 200,000, 150,000, or even below.
Yes.
But as I'm talking to you now, you can't get a comfortable 2-bedroom flat for 500,000.
Yes, and please don't forget, we have a video about where you can live in Awka, the best places you can live in Awka.
Yes,
so don't forget to watch the video for you to know the current situations, the road, the facilities, the water, and the prices of which those houses is out of current price. So let us go in and check on the video.
Yes, the cost of housing or accommodation in Awka depends on the location where you want to reside. So if you want to get more information on that, you can go check one of the videos we did about the best places you can live in Awka. We have a video on that already on our channel. You can go check on it to get more information. That's it. Thank you.
Next thing on our list is, does Awka have nightlife?
Wow. Nightlife in Awka is top notch, if I must say so. Nightlife in Awka is top notch. Okay, there are lots of spots where you would hang out and have so much fun in this city. The city is growing sporadically, speedily, like it's growing heavily.
Exactly.
There are lots of clubs that are even springing up in the city, and there are lots of bars where you can relax and unwind. There are lots of places, of places where you can go,
and there are various joints where Isiewu, Nkwobi, Pami, you know, everything fresh.
And there are cinemas also where you can go and watch movies. So,
and above all, it's secure. The nightlife in Awka is very, very secure.
Exactly.
Last thing on our list is the street parking. Is there enough parking space in Awka? So can you tell us about that?
Yes, there are lots of parking space in Awka, but you just have to be careful so you don't park at the wrong place and get your vehicle confiscated. Okay, because the state government has stepped up on their duties to see that motorists don't park wrongly on the wrong places. So I would advise you, whenever you want to park your vehicle in Awka, please look around, make sure there are no signs of no parking or no waiting signs around where you want to park, so that you'll be on the safe side. It's very, very important. Before you park your vehicle anywhere, make sure
there's a lot of space. So if you park wrongly, the government
your vehicle confiscated. So make sure there are no signs of. Just make sure you look ahead of you and behind of you. Make sure you don't see any signs like no waiting, no parking, no stopping, so you don't get yourself and your vehicle in trouble. That's what I have to say for that.
So guys, we're coming to an end of this video. So if you have anything to contribute to this video, please kindly drop it at the comment section. And if you find this video helpful and useful, please don't forget to subscribe
to this channel,
and also give this video a massive thumbs up.
Comment also, okay, and click on the notice bell down below, so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it.
So thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye.